I love gardening, and before my procedure, I could not do any gardening because of the pain that I had on my back and legs. I was using 2 canes to get around. I was very limited in activities. I'm a former microsurgeon myself, now retired, and when I first met Dr. Hasan and we talked, I could appreciate his knowledge in the same area and what he could offer.
My name is Dr. Saqib Hasan, and I'm a minimally invasive spine surgeon. Don had a problem which is very common for people in his age group. The catch-all term is spinal stenosis, which all stenosis means is compression of the nerves. What I did with Don is that I used endoscopic techniques using cameras and then use an instrument through the camera to take pressure off his nerves. It was the most intuitive way to address his problems, but still allow him to quickly return to the things he wanted to do.
With microsurgery, this involved an incision that's literally about this long. It's so small I can't even see it when I look at myself with a mirror. Afterwards, I required nothing more than just 1 or 2 aspirin for a couple of days. I've had virtually complete relief of my pain, and I'm back to normal. I'm gardening, going up and down the slope in our backyard, and enjoying the outdoors.